Hello, today is September 18th, 2023, and I'll be filming a video source inspection on an 8300S. Customer is located here in the United States. For confidentiality purposes, we will not be providing their name, but their purchase order number, 718106. I will guide you through the process of the newly refurbished 8300. We're currently running 8-inch substrates with an A192 81M rotor. It's top chamber. We'll get that one going, get that started for you. And then we'll do the same thing with the bottom, which has the same rotor, a A192 81M as well. And we'll get the bottom chamber started. All right. Currently, we are going through our rinse cycle, which is about 60 seconds on top. And then we'll jump into a purge, a 10-second purge. As you can see, we're using the newly controller that we have with a graphical design, the Sitek Slick Device S1 controller. This controller, as you can see, it will show you all the components that are currently running. Since we are in a rinse cycle with 10 seconds left, our rinse valve is on and our low pressure purge valve is on. And you can tell in the image that it's currently spinning. Then we'll jump into a 10-second purge, running at a higher RPM, just to blow out with the nitrogen, all the DI water in there. And we'll jump into 1 minute and 30 seconds in our dry one. And as we can see, we're a little bit ahead on top, and bottom's going into purge. Since we're in the dry one cycle, we're running our N2 valves are activated, our N2 heaters on, bowl heaters on, and our low pressure purge. This customer requested to get a newly refurbished 8300. And as you can see, we have typically when we do get these, when we do these refurbishments, we have these SRDs inside of our test room. We'll test it out, evaluate it, take a look at each component that is there, test it, and then take it off from the skin all the way down and making sure that we can test every component. It's like new condition. We'll put it together and we'll do a 50 runs for quality control. Now you can see as our dry one is going on top, it's 20 seconds left. We'll go into a dry 2 with a longer time and a lower RPM. As you can see in the next 10 seconds, we'll do that. Here at Sitek, we have 2 dedicated employees for all of our customers. 1 inside rep and 1 outside rep. These employees will be able to help guide you and your team with any difficulties that you may have in the fab, making sure that will cause no downtime for you. Also, we have a manufacturing team that has been incredible as far as helping with any technical questions that you may have. Here at Sitek, not only do we refurb and provide 100% spare parts and service for the SRDs, but we also provide 100% spare parts and service for our HTC box washers, the 4000, 8000, 8010, 8020, and 8030. Happy to come on site and do a preventative maintenance for you and make sure that your tool is set for success. All right, looks like we're both in the dry 2 cycle. If you take a look, it looks like since the green indicators are on, it means that we're currently in the process. In the beginning of the video, you might have seen that we were in a yellow stage, and we were sitting in idle. One thing that sets our controllers apart compared to others is not only is our controller compatible with the PSC 101 and the 102, it's straight plug and play. As far as the 102, we might have to do a very slight modification on the front poly, and we can also include and upgrade for the light indicators that we offer. Another thing that sets us apart is once we are in idle, our N2 is going to be shut off. As you know, N2 costs have been on the rise, and we want to make sure that we're able to save you a ton of money over the course of a year. Each chamber, typically for our customers, it could be up to about $2,000 per chamber in savings. Going back to other things that we offer besides parts and service on the SRD and the HCC box washers is we refurbish mask cleaners, provide spare parts for those as well. We provide photo resist pumps and refurbishments on those as well, along with other sets of tools. I suggest that you take a look at our website at sitekprocess.com, or if you have any questions, you can just reach out to us at siteksales@sitekprocess.com. All right, we're coming down to the nitty-gritty of the last 2 minutes of the dry 2 cycle on top. As you can see, we're nestled in at about a 500 RPM. N2 valve still actuated, N2 heaters on, anti-statics on, bowl heater LPP valve. Along with another thing that we offer with these slick devices, we have data management. If you and your team want to see all the issues that, or the log management, you can take a look and see all the history of it, infinite history that will show you all the alarms that may have been placed. We offer SexGem for communication. That has been a huge plus for a lot of our customers. This customer decided that they needed an EMO button, as you can see right over there. Please stop. This thing is as shiny as can be, and it is a newly refurbished system. All right, less than a minute to go. We provide these systems all the way from a double stack to a single chamber that will sit on top of your wet bench, or to one that might just have just a little shelf that you could sit a single chamber on as well. We've worked on modifications to fit in between wet benches of different sizes. So if you feel like you are limited on space, we're happy to work on a custom order for you and modify the length or the height of the SRD. We've included a second rinse on our slick device or in our new software. All right, we're finishing up with 5 seconds left. Here's the countdown. There's a 4, a 3, a 2, and the 1, and here you go at the top. What we're doing is we're currently braking, and then we're going to get into that 12 o'clock position. You see the RSP is going to get activated. What you'll see is a little wobble, and then it'll shoot right back up to the 12 o'clock position. We'll be opening the chamber, and you'll see the braking. It's just got released. Blue, it means it's done currently. The chamber is hot, looks good. Substrates are dry and look great. All right, looks like the bottom chamber is done as well. Everything is clear, everything is dry, nice and warm, substrates are warm. You take a look, and that will complete our process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, sales@sitekprocess.com. My name is Martin, and I hope you have a wonderful Monday. Thank you.